Hi. It's me, Mario Bat Boy, and I handcuffed myself. These aren't police cuffs. These are just toy cuffs, okay? So, no, I'm not in jail. I'm gonna try to beat Golden Trophy as far as I can. Give me 3 attempts. Alright, let's go. Just so you know, again, these are not police handcuffs. These are just toy handcuffs. So I can't move around. I can free myself if I want, but that's cheating. So, further ado, let's get into this. Alright, goblins, you are not gonna stop me today. Ow! My finger. Ah. Okay, time to go. This is hard. Oh, that was hard. Step 2, or level 2. What happened there? Those are not. Oh. Yikes. Oh, shoot. I almost got myself out. I should have really gotten a shield there in the beginning. Oh well. It's probably gonna be my biggest hit. Oh, so have you heard, guys, that like SMG4 is like ending? If you don't know who the SMG4 is, he's like a big content creator. He does like Mario videos. He animates them. But like in December 2nd of this year, I think it's December 2nd, but he's ending, which is crazy. Anyways, let's go. Boom, 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 and also put W's SMG4 in chat or in comments so you can put they can support him. There's a big because I watched him a lot. Like I did watch like cartoons and stuff, but besides cartoons, I did watch like him, and then like. He started in 2011, the year I was born, like yeah. Oh shoot! Paying attention. Alright, attempt number 2 is coming up. Alright. Man, I really should have editors. Anyways, if you want to friend me down in, hold on. If you want to friend me in Rec Room, just type your name in the comments. And my name is Mario Bat Boy VR. On Rec Room, so then you can just friend me. Again, these are not police handcuffs. These are just toy handcuffs. I don't want you to just think I got arrested. Because that would be concerning. Oh, shield. This is really hard. Oh. Get that and get that. Boom! Like classic guys. Boom! 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 I only heard about it. Oh, guys. Oh, finally. Oh. Trigger time. Yeah, that guy is the most used. There, he does. It's another reason why I have another 5 more than 500. Great throw. Alright. And by the way, I actually might get a PS5 if I get all A's at the end of the school year. So then I could make videos in school. Because my phone stopped wanting to work on screen mode. Also, by the way, not even if it did work, it's still better PS5 than mobile. Like my phone just, it works, but it keeps on crashing on the easiest things not to crash on. I don't know why. Let them spawn. Just scramble away. Oh, yeah. Have you also heard that that they're adding mods to Golden Trophy? Yeah. I just hope they actually add them to more stuff. Oh. This should be the last 2. Let's go. Alright. I'm already 4 minutes in. On the second. Maybe I should just keep this. Push, go. Alright. Ooh, this is a scary part. I prefer this over a bow either way. Just imagine that's me struggling to use a bow. But I already struggle anyways. Alright, let's go. Oh no. I heard him. Yeah. Yeah. Boom, boom. Go. Also, I don't understand what how I'm gripping this. Like, why not this part? Rackham logic. Oh my. Not all the flyers. Oh. Oh, the best part. I don't know if it's the best part right now. Oh, not that part. Oh, oh. How am I? Okay, good. Oh, that was easy. Sorry. Ow. Okay, good. Okay. Look at that. Floating bow and arrows. Alright, this part is the worst part. If it's the part I'm thinking about. Yes, it is. I hate this one. Oh, by the way, this is the reason why I throw this out is because this doesn't respawn. Oh. I'll explain it there. Bro just killed himself. Bro. Rewind that clip and then you'll see that part. He just killed himself. That's suicide. Or one of his buddies just killed him. Oh no. Oh shoot, it's the flyers. Wait, how's it one of the flyers die? Wait, maybe it's me. You know what would make it more easier? If those barrel guys just fell in the lava. Wait, no! Oh. How many tries is that? 3? Man. Thank you for watching this video. If you make it to the end, please drop a like down to, and please subscribe for more content. And out.